Hi, I'm Laksha. I'm the account strategist for Dreamcast Global, and today I bring to you the top 5 tips and tricks to host a successful virtual event. Number 1. Having a strong show flow. Why is the show flow that important? Because it sets the pace to your event. You might have a lot of attendees, a great design, a great sponsorship. However, if your show flow is wrong or weak, you can have a lot of things going wrong at the end moment. Like technical glitches, your attendees can be confused, and hence your event won't pan out the way you expect it to. Number 2. Choosing the right virtual event platform. Of course, it goes without saying that choosing the right virtual event platform is what you need to have a successful virtual event. The right virtual event platform will have 2 things for you. It'll be customizable and it'll be budget friendly. Of course, we don't want to overspend, but we also want our requirements met. Number 3. Smooth registration. Smooth registration facilitates your attendees to log in and log out of the platform with ease. This is overlooked, and many times attendees have problems logging in, resetting passwords, and even staying on the platform because the platform keeps logging them out. However, if you have a smooth registration, your attendee count will be higher because of ease of registration. And number 4, our environment is actually your first impression to the virtual event, hence you want to set a good one. What all can you have in a dynamic environment? Number 1, a music or animated lobby. Number 2, dynamic banners. Number 3, ambience music in the lobby. And number 4, clickable banners. Along with this, you can also have engaging features. You can have gamification, signature wall, social wall, and a photo booth. Number 5, multiple networking opportunities. It's very important to have multiple networking opportunities at a virtual event because just like the physical event, people want to network, exchange their business details, and expand their global reach. All this will actually enhance the reach of your event and make it have a virtual and bigger impact. Do let us know if you want to know more about virtual events in the comments below. Thank you for watching.